Hello, my name is Amber Stokes, and I would like to tell you a little bit about myself. But before I do, let's start with a quote. It says, "You learn nothing from life if you think you are right all of the time." Now, I used to think I was right most of the time, and it wasn't until I learned to shut my mouth and open my ears and my eyes and listen and learn from those around me that I truly began my journey to education. I think that learning to be humble, vulnerable, and actively listening and learning from every opportunity life throws at us is crucial to truly being educated because we can always learn something. Now, as I stated, my name is Amber Stokes, and I am married to my husband Ben for 14 years now. We are a blended family, and between us, we share four children. Our daughter Phoenix will be 19 in September. Our son Isaac will be 17 in October. Our daughter Abigail will turn 10 in October, and then our son Noah just turned 8 in March. Our family loves music and art. We love to sing. We play a variety of instruments from piano to guitar to drums. My son Isaac is a musical genius. He makes the coolest songs you've ever heard. And then my husband and both of our daughters are actually really, really good at art. As you can see on the screen here, this is a drawing my husband did freehand. He never even knew that he had this ability in him until he just sat down and tried one day. And there you go. He actually has a great opportunity with one of the tattoo shops here in town. He's starting an apprenticeship and he will be able to fulfill his dream of being an artist for a profession. So he's really, really excited about that. And that's our son Noah, just a few years back. So as you can see, he's really very good. Now let me back up and tell you a little bit more about my past. I am originally a Georgia native. I was born in Kennesaw, Georgia in no, that's not true. September of 1979. I graduated from Paulding County High School in June of 1998, and in August of the same year, I moved on campus to the State University of West Georgia, where I received a full scholarship. So my mom was obviously very, very proud of me, not just for that, but for the matter of being the first to attend college, the first one to attend college in our family. However, my naivety of campus life would be my downfall as I would be put on academic suspension in the spring of 99. I did pursue other post-secondary opportunities by attending Gadsden State Community College in Gadsden, Alabama, where in the spring of 2003 I achieved a certificate in information technology. And then after a divorce in 2008, I would move back to Georgia from Alabama to live with my mom and my sister until I met my husband Ben when he and I would marry in 2009. He immediately began pursuing his completion of a bachelor's degree and then on to a master's degree where he would graduate in May of 2020 from Liberty University, summa cum laude. So while I was super proud of him, I was a bit discouraged and disappointed in myself that I had not achieved any of my academic goals that I had began so long ago. But with the encouragement of my husband and his unending support, in the fall of 2019, I enrolled at Black River Technical College. And just this past May, I received my Associate of Art and my Associate of General Studies degrees, and then transferred on to Arkansas State University, where I'm currently pursuing my Bachelor of General Studies in Education and hope to graduate if I buckle down in the next year. I currently work at Arkansas State University at the College of Education. And while I am so proud of the many accomplishments I have achieved over the past few years, it is bittersweet as my mom is no longer with us to see that I have achieved some of these goals. She passed away suddenly in December of 2016 from cancer that none of us, not even she, knew that she was sick. So that is bittersweet to me, but I know she's proud of me even still. I cannot state all of these many obstacles in my life without giving all of the credit for my successes to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. I am a Christian, a devout believer, and follower of the one true God. And I believe that's one of the reasons I am different from other educators, is because I know that we are uniquely designed in His image. And we each have our own special mission to accomplish in this life. And I believe that rather than trying to educate children and shape their minds to fit a certain universal mold, I believe that we should be trying to educate children to discover what their specific purpose is in this life. It's not about a career that will yield the most money or the most prestige. I believe that as an educator, it is my job to show and to deeply instill in each and every child that I come into contact with inside of my classroom that they have a purpose, that they are unique and they are irreplaceable. All of their supposed oddities, all of their quirks, and all of their ticks, it all makes them who they are. And somewhere in this world, that is exactly what is needed. They don't have to and shouldn't fit in. I want them to stand out. And with that, I will leave you with my favorite quote from Maya Angelou. She says that if you are always trying to be normal, you will never know how amazing you could be. So I challenge you, be amazing. Thank you.